I'll teach you for being sneaky stumble. More from Reef Diver and the plushies tomorrow afternoon at the same time, just before brand new Lizzie's at 3:05. Right then, everybody, the entire afternoon has zoomed by so fast, and the morning has as well. It is time for me to go already. Don't you worry though, I am back on Easter Monday alongside Carly, Cara, Stephen, Lax, Pillock and Botch for an Easter Monday like no other. 2 special programmes, 2 movies, and of course, not to forget, Easter specials of all of your favourites. I am so sorry if my voice is going for a minute there. I am just, just so anxious about it. I did envision continuities before, but, I do get anxious now and again, and I do need help. Anyway, our new presenter, Mandy, is going to be looking after you tomorrow on Fan Kids from 6 o'clock, so do not miss out on that. And then at 12:05, straight after that, will be Sam and Phil for Fan Teens, back after 3 whole weeks. Welcome back, lads. For all of your favourite shows, go on to the Fan World website, click on Fan Teens or Fan Kids, and then click on Entertainment for all of your besties. Or if you just want to get to know us because, you're new to it, click on Presenters to get to know our likes, dislikes, personality traits, and all. Right then, everyone, till Easter Monday, I shall see you all later. Let's get this grown-up party started! Dude, I could really use your help here. I'm slipping. Good start. Relax, everybody. The music's not going off because of the bomb. It's going off because of the game. The game? What about the game? Cause you would seven me joke! Hold on a minute. Wait, what? Oh no, that is just disgusting. Oh no, he just got rejected. I cannot believe a word the guy said. Mike, better open the window. Sounds awesome. Let's do it. Heartbreaking scene I ever saw. Daytime on Star TV 4, the multiplayer, and the Star TV Hub. Ugh, that is the most cringiest scene I have ever saw. I'll teach you for being sneaky stumble. More from Reef Diver and the plushies tomorrow afternoon at the same time, just before brand new Lizzie's at 3:05 of all of your favourites. I'm so sorry if my voice is going for a minute there.